For myself as a fourth-generation baker, it's very exciting to find that we can switch to a non-PHO using a high oleic soybean shortening, and in some cases, make the products work even better than they did with the PHO. I'm Mitch Riavez. I'm a certified master baker with Stratas Foods. We are doing functionality testing, comparing the high oleic oils to PHO oils to see the similarities.
Partially hydrogenated oils are used in thousands of foods, and all of these have to be replaced with an oil that's equally as functional. My name is Frank Flider. I'm an oils consultant for QUALISOY. What we hope is to show that enzymatically interesterified high oleic soybean oil is a suitable replacement for partially hydrogenated oils. Now, the main target for this testing is the baking industry.
The first batter, palm, can be very difficult when working with if it's too cold or too warm. The second cake batter is made with an interesterified conventional soybean oil. The third cake batter is made with an interesterified high oleic soybean oil. It's the closest that I've found to a drop-in. In other words, don't change your formula. Mix it the same way that you did before.
We use texture analyzer to analyze the firmness or the softness of the cake. I'm Allison Gladness. I'm a scientist with Stratas Foods.
The grain or cell structure of a cake that's made with palm shortenings tends to be tighter than PHO shortenings. That causes the mouthfeel to be a little bit chewy.
With the high oleic soy shortening, we notice a comparable dome height as well as texture of a PHO.
What I've discovered using a high oleic soybean oil shortening is that they incorporate air faster than a standard PHO or a palm shortening. They also allow me to get in up to 50% more water. In the end result, that means to the baker, increased volume, icing more cakes. The icing from high oleic soybean oil shortening tends to be very smooth, very light, and easy to decorate with. It freezes and thaws very well and holds colors as well. We tested 3 different types of shortenings in our cookie dough test. A PHO shortening, a high oleic soybean oil shortening, and a palm shortening.
So we noticed that with high oleic soy, we get a softer, more tender cookie versus a palm that can be more brittle or hard.
In the end, we found that the high oleic soybean oil shortening performed exactly like the PHO. It was a drop-in. That means no change in formulation, no change in the way that you make your cookie dough up.
Here at Stratas, we're testing cake donuts. We use 2 separate types of shortening, a high oleic version and a control. We're saying that in high oleic soy shortenings, a longer fry life and a similar product to PHOs. That's a really good thing. We're seeing similar color, spreadability, and height. I'm very pleased with the results. High oleic soy has really performed well as a new addition to the industry in regards to PHO replacements.
You can enzymatically interesterify high oleic soybean oil to replace any PHO that's currently out there. Other advantages are high oleic soybean oil is 100% US produced, it contains 0 trans fatty acids, and because of its high level of stability, it will extend the shelf life of finished food products.